Well, environmental controls and building automation, we're talking a lot about that. And obviously, you need service and you need support for that. People need to know they're backed up. What do you guys offer in terms of your service and support plans?
Absolutely. We'll customize that, tailor it like everything we do. Tailor it to the customer's needs, to the size and type of system, the complexity of the system, and then put them and pair them up with the right project manager and technician to manage that system effectively. You know, we can be there as an extension of their maintenance staff or, you know, kind of support them entirely. We always offer remote support for those customers as part of that package. We have people back at the office that are dialed into the system, can connect remotely, help troubleshoot, work with maybe like an on-site mechanical contractor or something to try to help troubleshoot HVAC issues that might be going on at the facility. And, you know, and then we'll offer on-site services to test and inspect, you know, things like dampers that might be bringing fresh air to the building, or maybe temperature sensors to make sure they remain accurate. And providing good information and good feedback back to the, you know, the automated system that we installed.
Yeah, and feedback's got to be correct, or and it's kind of a neat aspect of these guys that they actually can test the environments that your hardware is controlling.
Because I think it's important to maintain, you know, the systems that you install. In your building. Keep there's software updates, firmware updates that come available that aren't necessarily related specifically to the products that we install, but more to things that would work in concert with our system, like the internet, or generally we recommend you use Google Chrome to view our user interface. Right, so everything we provide is viewable on a standard browser interface, right? Chrome, Edge, Firefox, things like that. And then what'll happen is, like, you know, Chrome will come up a security patch or some kind of update that they push out to the, you know, Chrome users, and then our system may not be viewable anymore, right? Because of that security update. So it's really important. Our manufacturers will keep up to date with that, but some of these systems come, you know, you have to have like a software maintenance agreement to continue to get those patches and updates, right? Which makes sense. It makes sense. You know, it's in a world, in a cyber world that you're worried about, you know, cybersecurity and vulnerabilities. Chrome and Google's doing their part to stay safe, and you know, it's important that these manufacturers, these other systems, do their part to stay up to date with cybersecurity. You know, and unfortunately, there is a small expense to keeping those systems current.
Sure, but that's to be expected of anything, and I'm sure, you know, clients probably enjoy knowing you guys are in the background always when needed for systems you've installed. I mean,
especially for remote support. I think I would say not every system we have, but I'd say a vast majority of them we have remote access to through a safe, secure internet connection. We try to work with our customers to make sure that those connections and remote access stay secure. And then we can remotely access the system, again, troubleshoot, program, make adjustments. And one of the biggest things is just working with that HVAC team that might be boots on the ground, right? Where they need help maybe turning something on, you know, or just, you know, checking a sensor, or they think they have a problem that might be controls related. And most often than not, it's actually not. It's generally mechanical equipment, a mechanical equipment issue.
But still, you're kind of there in the background to say, no, it's not this guy. It's okay.
Hold on.
Kind of like guardian angels in the background.
Let me check it out here first, you know.
This is Phil, this is Rachel, and they're the owners of Control Concepts of Ohio. And if you can use better control over your business, and who can't, or certainly business automation, you should talk to them. And if you call them, you guys answer the phone, don't you?
We do.
It's pretty neat.
All the time.
In the meantime, visit their website at controlsohio.com.